You've heard the saying, if you take care of it, it'll take care of you. So let's get into cleaning your windshield repair bridge. First, get yourself some denatured alcohol. There are three main reasons on why we recommend the use of denatured alcohol. It has a higher flash point, which means a faster dry time. It won't cause the injector end seal to warp or swell, and it thoroughly removes any uncured resin from the body and the plunger. Now let's clean our injector. First, separate the plunger from the body. Then we'll rinse both parts thoroughly with the denatured alcohol. As you can see, the plunger's in the pressure cycle, so just drop it right in the cup. Now drop the body into the cup. Put your cap on and swirl them around. After swirling the plunger and the body around, we'll remove the plunger and put it in a vacuum cycle and put it back in the denatured alcohol. We will swirl both parts around in the cup a little longer to make sure we thoroughly remove any uncured resin from the plunger and the body. Now that both parts are clean, we'll wipe them dry with a paper towel. Now it's time to clean our bridge base and the vacuum cup, so get you some warm soapy water and a sponge. Thoroughly clean the bridge base and the vacuum cup, then rinse it and wipe it dry. Once you have your bridge all cleaned up, put the body back on the bridge and put your bridge back in your toolbox. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us.